Hi friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to show you this simple decorative edge that helps reduce stockinette curl while adding a beautiful finishing detail to your knitting. Before we get started, take a look at these two swatches. Both are worked in stockinette stitch and neither one has been blocked. On this first swatch, you can see the fabric naturally curling at the top and bottom edges, which is exactly what stockinette stitch likes to do. Blocking can certainly help, but it often requires fairly aggressive blocking to fully flatten those edges. Now compare that to this second swatch. Here I've worked a decorative edge along the top and bottom. Even though this swatch is also completely unblocked, the edges remain much flatter and more stable. Not only does it help control curling, but it also creates a lovely chain-like detail that can add a polished, professional finish to your knitting. This edge works beautifully on sweaters, scarves, and other projects where you'd like a clean edge without adding traditional ribbing. Let's begin. First, slip the first stitch purlwise with the yarn held in back. Next, locate the second horizontal bar directly below that slipped stitch. Insert your left needle from back to front, picking up the bar from the bottom up and place it onto the left needle. Then knit this lifted bar through the back loop. Finally, pass the slip stitch over the stitch you just knit. And that's it. Repeat these steps wherever instructed to create a decorative edge that helps stabilize stockinette fabric while adding a beautiful finishing touch. I'll demonstrate this a few more times so you can get the hang of it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next one.